Greetings to you all. Welcome to Class 8, Unit 1, Listening. Listen to the teacher and read the section. Then answer the questions. Okay, shall we start? Gardening is a delightful pastime. One can grow vegetables, fruits, and flowers in one's own garden. If you do not have open spaces near your home for maintaining a garden, you can set up a garden on your roof. All you need are a few old buckets or tubs, some mud, and seeds to plant. Did you know? The Horticulture Society of Tamil Nadu gives soil bags with seeds to promote gardening in our houses. Stamp collection is nothing but collecting stamps from envelopes that come by mail. This hobby is known as philately. We learn about different leaders, important days on seeing the stamps. We can also exchange rare stamps with our friends. Many people are fascinated to collect coins from different countries. Sometimes relatives who visit or work in other countries bring and give the coins of the foreign country to us. This hobby is known as numismatics. Some others take interest to collect seashells. It is said that there are more than 1 lakh shell species found in the seashores. The rarest, the most valuable, and the most beautiful shells are found in the Indo-Pacific, Caribbean, and Mediterranean regions. Cooking is one of the oldest hobbies. It is now even considered a life skill to know how to cook. We all should try and learn to cook. Painting can help unleash your creative side. Painting allows you to tap into the thoughts, desires, and feelings in your head and translate them into something beautiful. Painting relaxes our mind and helps focus better. So go ahead and pick up a paintbrush. Teaching is a fun and useful hobby. Teaching helps us understand what we have learned better. It also helps us to help other children. If we are good at teaching, then one day we can even become a good teacher. Web browsing helps us collect information about the latest medical invention, the new technology for phones, and news about our society and country. It is an amazing hobby where we can learn about things that are thousands of kilometers away with just a few clicks. We can also share all the wonderful information with our friends. Now children, you have listened to the passage. Are you ready to answer the questions? 1. What is philately? Number 2. What is numismatics? 3. Do you know where the rarest and the most beautiful shells are found? 4. Painting can help unleash your creative side. How? 5. What is your friend's hobby? How does it differ from yours? Discuss and write. I hope you have all written correctly. If not, listen to the passage again. Now moving on to reading. Tongue twisters. Tongue twisters are a great way to practice and improve pronunciation and fluency. They can also help to improve accents by using alliteration, which is the repetition of one sound. They are not just for kids, but are also used by actors, politicians, and public speakers who want to sound clear when speaking. Below, you will find some of the most popular English tongue twisters. Say them as quickly as you can. If you can master them, you will be a much more confident speaker. First one, I scream, you scream, let's all scream for ice cream. I repeat, I scream, you scream, let's all scream for ice cream. 2. No need to light a night light on a light night like tonight. I repeat, no need to light a night light on a light night like tonight. Next, green glass globes glow greenly. I repeat, green glass globes glow greenly. Next, she sells seashells on the seashore. I repeat, she sells seashells on the seashore. Next, he would chuck, he would, as much as he could. I repeat, he would chuck, he would, as much as he could. So children, repeat all the tongue twisters and master them. Okay? Thank you. Hearty thanks to all the subscribers and viewers. I owe a lot to you.